Hello everyone, welcome to my channel to know more. I am here to discuss about the demographic features of Indian population. What are the demographic features? Demographics can include any statistical factor that influence population growth or decline, but several parameters are particularly important, that is population size, density, age structure, fecundity, birth rate, mortality, death rates, and sex ratio. Before going to start this topic, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. We are going to discuss demographic features of India's population. First features is that density of population. What is density of population? It implies that the average number of persons living per square kilometer of area within the territory of the country or a particular area of the country. Usually the density of population is high in urban areas and low in rural areas. The density of population is high in urban area, town or cities areas, and low in urban village areas. Usually the density of population was low as 77% per square kilometer in 1901, which is raised to 90 in 1931. It kept on increasing further 382% per square kilometer in 2011. What are the factors responsible for increasing density of population? So first reason is that suitable climate and better fertility of soil for cultivation, balance of rainfall, irrigation facilities with assured water supply, industrial development, emergence of cities or towns as commercial centers, better transport facilities, security of life and property, development of religious centers or development of mega city or capital cities, mineral of development and exploitation, immigration and emigration is the main reason which will lead to density of population of a particular area. Let's move to another features is that sex composition of population in India. Sex composition refers to the number of males and females in the population composition. Rather, it can be measured as number of females per thousands of males. It is observed that in Asia and more particularly in India, there is a trend towards favor of masculine population. In 2001, the number of females per thousand males in 933 and 2011 943 state observation. Significant improvement in Himachal Pradesh with 790 and 990 or females per thousand male. Important demographic features of Indian population is that age composition of population and dependency ratio. Age composition working age composition and dependency ratio. Age composition analysis gives an account of the labor force's participation in the total population of the country. In India, working age group is 15 to 60. In India, in 2019, about 26.62% of Indian population fell into the 0 to 14 years category and 67% into the 15 to 64 age group and 6.38% were over 35 senior citizens or citizens of age group. Position 1951 child population in the age of 0 to 14 was 37.4%, which is increased to 41.4% in 1971, which fall to 30.7% in 2011. Again, the working population of the age group of 15 to 60 is 60.3% in 2011. Moreover, the portion of the population of age group 60 and above has been on a rise. Looking at the composition of age group, we can say that the number of unproductive consumers has been on a rise, or I mean unproductive number of person still further is going increasing. What are the causes of sex composition in India? That is higher birth rate and fall in infant mortality rate and advancement of medical science. That's why the sex composition is different in India. Let's move to another demographic features of Indian population, that is rural-urban composition. It reflects the pattern of living of the country's population. In India, majority of population live in the rural areas. However, there is a trend to migration to the urban areas, causing more density of population. In 1951, India had a predominantly rural population of 82.4%, which is finally declined to 68.84% in 2011. This show that the size of urban population is on a rise, but the pace of urbanization is yet another important demographic features of Indian population is that the quality of population. The quality of population in India include life expectancy and literacy rate. Life expectancy, the average life expectancy at birth in India has been gradually increasing. It was 41.2 years in 1951 to 61, which is increased 7 years in 2008 to 2012. For comparison, in last year's survey, the life expectancy had increased from 49.7 years in 1970 to 75 to 68.3 years in 2011 to 2015. For the same time of period, the life expectancy for the females is 70 years and 66.9 years for males. What are the main reasons to increase life expectancy in India? That is, first reason is that fall in infant mortality, improvement in maternity conditions, more advanced attitude towards women, general improvement of medical facilities, control of disease and hospital facilities are the main reason which will lead to increase the life expectancy in India. Discuss the literacy rate in India. Literacy rate in under the point of quality of population. Literacy rate in India, the level of literacy which was only 18.3% in 1951, which increased to 34.5% in 1971. Excluding the age group of 0 to 6, the literacy rate in India increased from 65.4% in 2001 to 74.0 in 2011. Subsequently, the male literacy improved from 75.9 to 82.1 and female literacy rate improved from 54.28 to 65.5. I am going to discuss another important demographic features of Indian population, that is population, education, birth rate, death rate, infant mortality rate. So birth rate refers to the statistics regarding to the average number of birth per thousand of population. Birth rate depends on the following factors: age of marriage for females. The mean age for women to marry in India is much lower than that of developed countries. Birth rate in 2009 is 17.8 birth per thousand people. In 2020, 18.2 birth per thousand people. I mean the birth rate is increasing. death rate which under the population education death rate. The death rate represent the average number of death per 1,000 people. The death rate in India considerably high in India. However, there is steep decline the death rate in India due to fall in infant mortality rate, fall in women mortality, awareness regarding the good diet, medical facilities, better sanitation, etc. Death rate in 2009 is 7.30% per 1,000 people, which rose to 2020 also due to pandemic in COVID-19. Let's discuss the infant mortality rate which is under the population education. Infant mortality rate, average number of death of the children under 1 year of the age of thousands live birth. The main factor responsible for infant mortality are malnutrition, diarrhea, pneumonia, and infectious and parasitic disease. Infant mortality rate gradually decline has been in 2019 it is 28.3 death per 1,000 live births. Let's move to another point, which is total fertility rate. Total fertility rate refers to the number of children that would be born to a woman if she were lived to the end of her childbearing age and bearing children at each age. In accordance, the prevailing age is specific for fertility rates. However, with the implementation of Family Welfare Program TFR in India has declined 4.5% in 1981 to 2.2 birth women in 2019, which further declined to 2.2 in 2020. Here I end up my talk with a special thanks to all of wonderful people for listening to me. Great patience. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more and more videos. Thank you, all of you. And listen, before you leave, please press the bell icon.